Hello, welcome back to Capsim Capstone 2024-2025, the top 10 in tips and details guide to win on the 8 rounds. This video for on the decision of round 1. I show you now. When you start Capsim Capstone, you see 5 products like this in the IND decision. You have decision 5, normally 5 or 6 decisions to set IND marketing, production, HR, finance. Sometimes you also have TQM and advanced marketing. So before you set decision for any rounds, this round 1 we go quite slow. From round 2 is easy for you. You check the industry condition report. This is very important, so always check this before you start setting the decision for round 1, right? So you see the industry condition report. You are the sensor company, manufacturers, product. For the other business to integrate in the electronic products, you have 5 segments here: low-end, traditional, high-end, performance, and size. So 5 segments here we need to update. Look at table 1. You update increase performance and reduce size. Increase performance and reduce size round. We have this table. It means you need to update that each round, right? For 8 rounds. And you have table 2. Update the 5 product segment here for 8 rounds. So it is easy, right? But it's not that. You need to use table 2 combined with table 3 because they said that sometimes each round customer prefer product update one more time, increase performance and size. So you need to combine table 2 here and table 3. To do that, you can download the free Excel file here. To do that, I can calculate it for you already here, right? So you need to check the number to make sure the number of table 2 and also automatic here. If table 2 is different, you need to copy and paste here, and then table 3 here we calculate it automatically, right? So remember, it's very important. So if you have the right strategy, you will get top sale and top profit like you see on the screen going up to from round 4, round 1 to 3 for investment, and round 8 you have the top result like this, right? On the top of the competition, on the top of the industry. And remember the first winning tips is check the industry condition report. Always use that. Check the industry condition report here, right? Industry condition report, very important, right? So Excel file also important. So now I show you to update the product. So update the product is easy. You see on the screen, right? We use increase performance and reduce size, right? Agree is low end. Low end doesn't require update, right? For high end, we update. You need to look at the launching date. And performance is easy, right? Performance and size, right? And you can check the launching date, right? Check the launching date. It is okay, right? It is okay. Launching date 5.7, 14.3. This one is quite special. 8.9, 11.1, 11.1 is okay, right? And performance 10.4, 15.3, and 4.5, 9.8 to have the right launching date. And now the strategy to win, we increase, we update one more product in low end, 4.5, 15.5, 14,000. I show you the reason why now. I tell you the reason why we need to update the new product, because you look at this one. You look at the traditional low end, high end, performance and size here. We have 5 segments here, right? And you look at the details, you will discover the reason why. This traditional account for 32% is very important, 32% of market share, and low end they accounts for 39, nearly 40% of market share. So this 2 segment accounts for 70% of market share, more than 70%. The other 3 segments only accounts for around 10%, right? 11 here you see 8, and then you see that here 8.7. So remember that we focus on traditional and low end because they account for 70% of market share. Even they grow more slowly. You look at this one. If you see that traditional grow around 10%, low end growth about 11%. The other segment they grow faster, 16% here for high end, 20 here for performance, and 18% here for the size. But these 3 segments grow faster, but they have very small market share. So yeah, 20% no problem. But the first and the second segment they have nearly 70%, so 10% of them is a 7%, right? So we developed a new product in traditional, low end, and then low end, traditional, and then one more in 3 segments, the other 3 segments, and then we can control the sale and control the profit. So now we go to the second. the first is industry conditions report, right? I show you. Use the free sale to calculate R&D. I show you. Update R&D also. Any one product in round 1 more in round 2, 1 more in 3. I show you. Now we set the prices, right? Now we set winning tip number 5. We set the prices, right? I show you now. So now we go to the second decision table, marketing. We set the price. So basically, lower price can sell better, but it's not true in the Capsim. Capsim, you need to set the most optimal price. So I show you the detail, right? Optimal price. So look at the first segment, traditional price, not so important, only 20% of buying decision. And the price range here, you see the price range here from 20 to 30, and the price here, right? So we can set higher price if you want, 29.5. And for the low end, you see price low end is different, very important, 53%. So we need to set the best price here, because the price here account for 53%, and the range 25. But 21 can sell better, so we need to low price, right? 20.5. You see 20.5 here. And then for high end, you see that the price here totally not important, only 9%. So we can set the max price close to 40. So okay, we set 39.5. And then we get the performance segment, right? The price also not so important, less than 20%, and the range 35. So we can set 34.5. No need to low like this, right? So 34.5. And then we have the last segment, the size. You see that the price range here not important, 9% only. So we can set close to the max 34.5. So you can use Excel file like this to control the price. You manage the price, right? And then we input the price. You see now, set the price. The first one, 29.5. 20.5. I show you the strategy. Remember, do not copy and paste this number into your game. I show you the strategy. You can adjust to match your game, right? You can adjust to match your game. I'm explaining the decision for you, right? But you need to make customize that to match your game, adjust that to match your game number, because game and game may be different, student and student may be different, right? So I show you and explain the decision for you. I say it 100 times in the video, so that you do not copy the number, learn the strategy, right? And for this one, we know that 2000 is the most optimal, right? So we put 2000 here because they are important. They account for 70% of market share, and the other 3 segments only 30%, right? So this 30%, this 40%, the other 3 segments only 10%. So we spend more budget for these first two products, right? And now we need to calculate the sales forecast. The most important thing, we look at page number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 also. Now we look at page number 4. Page number 4 can help us calculate the sales forecast. You see the unit we show here, inventory here. So this will be the number we can use to calculate the sales forecast. I show you. The way we calculate is okay, but the number is different. So you use the number from your game. You do not copy the number from this table and paste into the game. I'm showing the way, the method to do that, and you can calculate the sales forecast here, segment growth here, sales forecast here, production here. Production is calculated by sales forecast, deduct inventory, right? You can download this Excel file under the video. If you are not sure, you send me the email, right? I will explain to you, right? 36 for the first one, and the second one 294 54 294. Next one we get 638, and next one we get 643, and next one we get 557. Okay, so that's all the marketing for this season, and can increase account receivable to get customer more time to pay, so we can sell better. And for the production, you see that the production here we have use 1447. We calculated the sales forecast here, deduct inventories here, and then we have the production, right? 1447 to 915 and 598 and 4565 and then 495. Okay, so that's the decision for the production, the most season. Now you look at this, is very important. We don't need that much capacity, so we sell. We need more capacity for this, so we buy. We don't need that much, so we sell. And then you check that we compare with the total demand here, and then the capacities here. We adjust this one. We need to adjust to and buy more for next round. And for the automation, you know that this one we should have 5. This one can be 7. the new one 7, the new one we buy 600. So we need to balance within the here the total investment we have, and then here the limit. So we use the loan to own the fund we have. HR we have no decision for round 1. We can set that next round. I show you. And now for the finance, right? We use all the source we can in round 1, and then we invest for round 1, 2, and 3, and from later round, so we will get very high cash in hand here. We don't have to borrow more. Now we go to the income statement. We check that we get very high sales, very good profit, and last round we get 100 sales, 4,000 profit, and now we have 170 sales, 50,000 contribution margin, 7 profit. We're spending here very strong for promotion and sale. So I just also we own the step-by-step for this season for round 1, and on the 10 winning tips, right, from industry condition reports to use this file to calculate. You can download this under video. Update R&D, add new product in round 1, set prices, calculate sales forecast in marketing, calculate production, add new capacity, increase automation for all the product, and use the 2 or 3 sources of fund. You will get very high results. I show you now. Very high results like this, right? Very high results. Sale, top profit, and also top stock price. In the later rounds, we can go much higher than the competitors, right? Okay, good decision for our 1. So you will see the sales here, right? Top sales, and also the top profit here, right? And top market cap after just round 1, right? So if you have any question, you send the email to mbicim.ferris@gmail.com, mbicim.ferris@gmail.com, or wincapsim2012@gmail.com, or get the free support for round 1 and quiz 1. If you want the support for all the rounds, you can send the email here, right? And also look at this slide. It's very important to understand the game. I show you all the thing, right? What decision to make for each round, what report to read, what parts of the report more important, how to update the product, how to or the long-term strategy, how to set the prices, what are prices of competitors, how to calculate the sales forecast, and also how to set the decision for production and automation and capacity, how to set decision for HR, finance, TQM. You learn the game and also you win the game is also equally important, right? So if you check the other video for the details guide and tip of the next round, I show you all the decision for round 1, so already for round 1, you see for round 1 already. So thank you for watching. Good